Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone? Today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of feeling cramped and uncomfortable while working from bed? I sure was until I discovered the SAIJI laptop bed tray table. This game-changing lap desk has been a total lifesaver for me, and I'm excited too. With its fully assembled and adjustable design, you can easily switch between different heights and angles to find the perfect setup for your needs. The auto-lock buttons on each side make it easy to adjust the height, and the legs can be set to 5 different heights, giving you a range of options from 9.4 to 12.6 inches. The surface angle can also be adjusted using 2 clamps, allowing you to set it to 4 different angles from 0 to 36 degrees. The SAIJI laptop bed tray table is not only functional, but it's also stylish and well-designed. The non-slip PVC leather desktop surface feels smooth and luxurious to the touch, and the little drawer on the left side is perfect for storing accessories. The notebook slip helps keep your device on the table, preventing it from sliding off, and the foldable design makes it easy to store and transport. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear why it's so well reviewed. The LED lights provide a warm and cozy glow, making it perfect for working in bed at night. The sturdy build and extra storage space make it a great option for anyone who needs a reliable and versatile lap desk. Whether you're a student, remote worker, or just someone who likes to work from the comfort of your own bed, the SAIJI laptop bed tray table is a must-have. With its worry-free after-sales service and 3-year free quality guarantee, you can trust that you're making a solid investment. So why not give it a try and experience the comfort and convenience for yourself? If this helped, link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.